And in international news, Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao met with Indonesian Vice President Budiono in Jakarta on Saturday to boost economic ties and trade cooperation between the two countries. Wen said that Sino-Indonesian bilateral trade has grown rapidly in recent years, as China has become the largest exporter of non-oil and gas products to Indonesia and is the second largest export market and trading partner of the Southeast Asian country. He said that the two sides have set a new target of boosting their trade volume to $80 billion by 2015.
Bilateral relations between the two countries are entering a new stage that is more dynamic and productive, together with the business of both countries amid economic cooperation. Economy and trade continues to deepen between both parties with satisfactory results.
What are investors looking out for this week? First off, all the devastating tornado, the worst natural disaster to hit the U.S. since Hurricane Katrina, left a path of destruction stretching across 7 southern U.S. states. The tornado could cost billions of dollars to clean up, experts believe, and also will place an additional financial burden on local governments trying to dig out of recession. President Barack Obama flew to the region to offer federal aid. And once more, star investor Warren Buffett is in the spotlight. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, is holding its annual shareholder meeting this weekend. First quarter profit fell 58% to $1.5 billion, as Japan's earthquake last month caused an underwriting loss at the company's insurance unit. Also, Buffett is expected to face a tough time after the departure of a key executive over questionable behavior. Positive U.S. consumer sentiment data for the month of April could give the market a boost. The U.S. consumers' willingness to spend improved in April as shoppers hope higher energy costs won't stick. Americans have shown a willingness to keep shopping, according to spending figures, despite the biggest year-on-year jump in inflation in 10 months. Infosys Technologies, India's number 2 software services exporter, is on the hunt for acquisitions in Europe and Japan, as well as in industries including healthcare and public services, its chief executive said. Speaking to Reuters a day after the company announced changes in its top-level management, Infosys said to also seek acquisitions in new areas like cloud computing. By investing in new industries and countries, Infosys is looking to build multiple engines of growth over the next 3 to 5 years. That's the latest in international business, but before we go, we'll take a quick look at the Asian equity markets from last Friday, then at the price of oil, followed by metals and a selection of currencies exchanged into dirhams. And after that, Laura Buckwell is back for the news.